Hi everybody. Today I will talk with you about how to start writing. If you think you have writing blocks, want to write, but you didn't write a word a day, today I give you small tip for it. This tip comes from Julia Cameron bestseller Artist's Way. Great book, what I read. So the tip is to write morning pages. What is morning pages? They are the pages that you write in your notebook. Buy a new notebook and start writing every day, every morning. Consider this as an exercise. It should be 3 pages long at least. You can write about what you want. For example, schedule your day. Plan your laundry. Plan whatever you want to do. It's one thing that you can write from the scratch. Other thing, what is very important, write about your emotions, what you experience. You, for example, become aggressive or disappointed. Describe a little bit your emotion. Discuss behavior of your partner. Step by step, your emotion put on a piece of paper. This is a good technique for your emotion. It helps you to release your negative emotion. Technique to write morning pages was highly recommended me from two my friends. One is my American friend, another is my Russian friend. My friend told me that I will overcome my creativity blocks and many positive things come in my life. This is everyday practice. I start writing. I describe situation in my life that bother me, release my negative emotions, schedule my day, plan my behavior in different situation. I got new friend. I got new friend. My notebook, my morning pages. Um, I discuss with my notebook all difficult situation in my life. I found a good solution for each of one. And I feel like I'm on a horse. So successful. I write and write morning pages. My life become more interesting. Many positive people and positive events come in my life. 3 months later, I started writing my first book. I was fearful. Oh, it was fairy tale. It was fairy tale. I forgot. I finished 40 chapters in 1 month and one breath of fresh air. I still continue writing morning pages. They help me in life. They help me to resolve my problem. They will help me to overcome my writing blocks. The same way morning pages working with my clients. I highly recommend you this technique. In next videos, I will tell you more about morning pages, how to use them. And I will provide you another techniques that help you in writing in other aspects of your life. Thank you. Bye-bye. It was Елена Brodova, psychologist and relationship coach and writing coach. See you next time. Bye-bye.